Welcome to Text University. Today we're diving into tickets, which you can find in the inbox section. Tickets help you manage customer issues that don't need an immediate real-time chat. Whether it's a follow-up request, a message submitted through your website contact form, or an email sent after hours, tickets ensure no message gets lost. On the left of the inbox view, you'll see your ticket sidebar. It gives you quick access to different ticket views. All includes every ticket in your workspace. Unassigned includes tickets that are not yet picked up by an agent. My Open includes tickets that are currently assigned to you. You can find many other options by clicking the More button, including ticket statuses sorted into categories and archived or spam tickets. Creating tickets is simple. From the inbox view, click the plus icon next to the inbox header. Choose New Ticket. Fill in the details and hit Send. This is useful when you want to proactively create a case, like documenting a bug a customer mentioned in a call. You can also create a ticket directly from a chat. Open a chat from the inbox. Click the three-dot menu in the chat header. Select Create a Ticket. You can edit the ticket details, decide if you want to copy tags from the chat, and even leave a private note. Choose if you want to send a notification to the customer. Click Create Ticket, and that's it. The ticket will include the chat transcript automatically. Inside each ticket, you'll find a threaded conversation that tracks all updates. Here you can add internal notes to share context with teammates, use canned responses to reply faster. You'll also notice that the Send button gives you a few options when replying to a ticket. After your message is sent, these options let you decide what status the ticket should have, such as it should stay open, be marked as pending, or set to closed. Choosing the right status helps define the next steps for that ticket. In fact, you can even set up automation rules based on status, like if a ticket is marked pending, send a reminder in 3 days. It's a great way to keep everything moving without having to manage every step manually. On the right, you'll see full ticket details, customer information, status, priority, assignment, ticket tags, and the possibility of adding other recipients. Once a ticket is resolved, you can archive it for future reference or mark it as spam if needed. That's your deep dive into tickets. If you need more help, feel free to go to text.com and start a chat with us. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.